Hi, welcome to Yard GrowingSA. In today's video, I'll be planting radishes. Let's get to it. Okay, so I got two types. I have the cherry and then the white icicles. So before we get started, let's just water the soil. You can see the soil was quite dry, so I just want to get it nice and wet. So next up, if you have maybe a straight stick, you can just use it to line up, and then you can just do this, and you know where to plant the radish. You just want to make a line like this. You can plant the radish there, but if you like, you can sprinkle it, but I think it will be it's much better to put it down in a row so you can see where you plant it, and it will look much nicer when it grows. If you like, you can just space it out about 5 centimeters apart, but I'm not going to do that because I'm just gonna let it grow close to each other. Not very close, but about like 2-3 centimeters maybe, or not even. So each row I'm making 5 centimeters apart from each other, so I'm going to do 2 rows of this one, and then 2 rows of the white icicles. And when you bury them, you want to put them down about 1 centimeter to 2 centimeters. Get one more water in. Then to keep the soil moist, get your cardboard box or plank and just put it over so that it will stay moist. So if you like to follow this journey, you can go along, because each week I'll upload a video of how the radish is going. This is going to be the planting, next will be from the germination, and then after that the last one will be the harvest. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Backyard out.